You got time for 2 aggressive moves.
You got it, James. You got it, James.
Oh my God!
Ferocious. I need you to hop on a local cow's udder immediately, boy. Oh my. For the next 4 decades, you need to drink nothing but whole milk. You snap that motherfucker like a twig. You ever stepped on a bug and then really looked at that nigga? At this point, I thought you were just stretching out your gluteus. You know what I'm saying? Stretching out your glutes, stretching out the hamstrings. You know what I'm saying? Just getting loose in that motherfucker. Snapped it with ease. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck the prize is. So if you win, what do you get? Because niggas are breaking their legs, snapping their legs behind their ears and shit. This is how like a Rottweiler itches their ears. It's like all for the W.